Canadian studio Bureau Tempo has completed a gentle redesign of a loft space in Brooklyn, New York, which features a subtle pale green kitchen and fritted glass partition walls. The home faces the busy Atlantic Avenue thoroughfare that runs through the Brooklyn Heights neighborhood and enjoys tall ceilings and large windows at either end. Measuring 1,600 square feet, 150 square meters, the loft is roughly divided into 3 sections. At the front are the primary bedroom, painted in a color called Dead Salmon by Faro Ball, and an office space that is equipped with a foldaway Murphy bed that can be deployed for guests. This multifunctional space is separated from the living area by a partition of wood and fritted glass panels. Folding doors open to connect with the lounge and dining area, but the light can still reach these central spaces when closed thanks to the glass. The addition of an operable wood and fluted glass wall between the primary space and the Atlantic Avenue end of the home allows for an open office by day and an inviting and private quarters when hosting guests, said Bureau Tempo. The lounge is furnished with comfy sofas and armchairs, plus an oxblood-colored coffee table, all placed atop a rug by Armadillo. Beyond is the dining area, where a large black table is accompanied by 6 Windsor chairs and a pair of stretched fabric pendant lights that hang overhead. The final portion of the loft is raised up 2 steps and contains a den area with more soft seating in the kitchen.